Hello everyone, welcome to Computers Repair Plus here at Lakewood Range 1829. This video very interesting regarding Nintendo Switch, and this Nintendo Switch originally came to the store with two issues. First issue was the Joy-Con doesn't work, and second issue was the fan was not spinning, plus the Nintendo Switch device was getting too hot, and then it shut down itself. So first we tested with the new controller, new Joy-Con, and here is the old one, and we tested with the new one, and looks like the joystick working fine and no issue with them. Though we had ordered a new CPU fan, the cooling fan, and install the new cooling fan, it still doesn't spin the fan. So means the old fan, let me show you. Here is the old fan, the original one, and here is the new replacement fan. After install the new fan, still the fan doesn't spin. So then we pretty much go through every single component level test and to see if we can find out something. And we actually ended up with the solution with a short related to the connector of this fan. So as you can see, now the fan is running, and if you take a look here, and here is my microscope, and this is the connector for the fan, right? This is the fan connector, and this is the little component. This one is shorted, so here is making the short to the ground, and the tablet was running fine, but the fan was not running because the both connection was connected to the ground, and we tested the incognito mode, and we found that both was like bridge between two. It should not be like that. So just for testing, we just break that component for test, and here's the solution and result. So that component is shorted, and it was making the issue for not spinning the fan. As we break that component, fan is spinning right now. We tested the entire device is running fine, and as you can see, it's ready to play games. So this video is for that, though it's short video, but it took us an hour to find out this little small short. So troubleshooting takes time, fixing doesn't take times. As long as you identify the problem, solution should be there sooner. So we are here in local computer repair shop, Bradenton City, 1829 Lakewood Range Boulevard, Bradenton, Florida 34211. If you have any question, feel free to give us a call or stop by store. We are here in the local shop, and we do the computer build, custom build, computer repair, cell phone repair, anything related with computer, cell phone, tablet. Welcome to our store, or give us a call. Thank you so much and have a great day. Bye bye.